In the vast, mysterious expanse of our universe, celestial bodies roam the cosmic highways, occasionally crossing paths in a cosmic dance of unimaginable proportions. Some celestial collisions remain the stuff of science fiction, while others, such as the Earth colliding with Neptune, ignite our curiosity and spark our imagination. While the chances of such a cosmic calamity occurring are infinitesimal, the consequences of such an event would be nothing short of catastrophic. In this article, we'll embark on a journey through the hypothetical scenario of Neptune crashing into Earth, exploring the cataclysmic chain of events that would unfold and the dire consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. Part 1. The Prelude to Chaos. Before we delve into the catastrophic aftermath of a Neptune-Earth collision, let's set the stage for this astronomical drama. Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from our Sun, is an ice giant. It's a colossal ball of gas and ice with a diameter of approximately 30,000 miles, nearly 4 times that of Earth. Our home planet, Earth, is a pale blue dot by comparison, with a diameter of just over 7,900 miles. Neptune's immense size is a critical factor in this celestial catastrophe. To understand the ramifications of this collision, we must first address the fundamental principles of celestial mechanics. Objects in space are governed by the laws of gravity, and their trajectories are determined by their mass, velocity, and distance from other celestial bodies. Given Neptune's enormous size and gravitational pull, its approach toward Earth would undoubtedly disrupt the delicate balance that keeps our solar system functioning. Part 2. The approach. As Neptune embarks on its inexorable journey toward Earth, the effects would begin to manifest long before the actual collision. First, astronomers and scientists across the globe would detect the distant ice giant gradually growing larger in the night sky. Neptune would shine brilliantly as it reflects the sun's light, becoming a mesmerizing point of interest for stargazers and astronomers alike. However, the growing proximity of Neptune would trigger alarming changes in Earth's tides. Our planet's oceans would experience dramatic surges, leading to catastrophic coastal flooding in low-lying areas. The gravitational tug-of-war between Earth and Neptune would result in tidal forces of unprecedented magnitude, causing widespread chaos and displacement. Part 3. The collision. The moment of impact would be a cataclysmic event unparalleled in the annals of cosmic history. With Neptune's immense mass and velocity, the collision would release a staggering amount of energy, dwarfing anything ever experienced on Earth. The two celestial bodies would collide with a force equivalent to countless nuclear explosions. The initial impact would result in the obliteration of both planets' atmospheres, creating a blinding flash of light visible from light years away. The shockwave from the collision would radiate outward, devastating everything in its path. The resulting shockwave would encircle the globe, leveling cities, forests, and oceans alike. Earth's crust would fracture and crumble under the immense pressure, leading to massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis on an unprecedented scale. Part 4. The aftermath. In the aftermath of the collision, the world as we know it would be unrecognizable. Earth's surface would be scarred by craters, and vast stretches of land would be reduced to molten rock. The atmosphere would be filled with debris, blocking out sunlight and causing a global cooling effect. This nuclear winter would disrupt the delicate balance of our climate, plunging the planet into a new ice age. The cataclysmic event would lead to the extinction of most life forms on Earth. The immediate aftermath of the collision would be marked by extreme heat, firestorms, and an atmosphere choked with toxic gases. Only the hardiest and most adaptable organisms might have a chance of survival in the harsh post-apocalyptic environment. Part 5. The long-term consequences. In the millennia that follow, Earth would undergo a slow process of recovery. The planet's surface would gradually cool, and new forms of life would emerge from the ashes of the old. However, it would take millions of years for Earth to regain a semblance of its former biodiversity and ecological balance. The once blue planet would be a shadow of its former self, with a scarred and battered surface. The familiar continents and oceans would be reshaped, and the landscape would be dominated by the remnants of the cataclysmic collision. Geological processes, such as plate tectonics and volcanic activity, would continue to shape the planet, but the memory of the cosmic catastrophe would be etched into the very fabric of Earth's geology. Part 6. The cosmic perspective. While the scenario of Neptune crashing into Earth is a fascinating thought experiment, it's crucial to emphasize that such an event is astronomically improbable. The vast distances and empty spaces of the cosmos make it highly unlikely for two planets to collide in the first place. Our solar system has been stable for billions of years, and the chances of such a cosmic catastrophe occurring are minuscule. Nonetheless, contemplating such a catastrophic event reminds us of the fragility of our existence on this pale blue dot. It underscores the importance of scientific exploration and our ongoing efforts to understand the cosmos and protect our planet from more immediate threats, such as climate change and asteroid impacts. The hypothetical scenario of Neptune crashing into Earth is a terrifying glimpse into the potential consequences of celestial collisions. While such an event is exceedingly unlikely, it serves as a stark reminder of the profound forces at play in our universe and the importance of safeguarding our planet's future. As we gaze up at the night sky, let this thought experiment remind us of the preciousness of our home and the need to cherish and protect it for generations to come.